friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the delightful world of country cottage kitchen decorating. Whether you live in the countryside or simply want to bring a touch of rustic charm into your home, these ideas will inspire you to create a cozy and inviting kitchen that's perfect for cooking, entertaining, and spending time with loved ones. So let's explore some charming country cottage kitchen decorating ideas. One of the hallmarks of country cottage kitchen is the use of rustic wood accent. From ceiling beams to farmhouse-style tables and chairs, incorporating wood into your kitchen decor adds warmth and character to the space. We will explore different ways to incorporate wood into your kitchen design, from reclaimed wood countertops to wooden shelves and cabinets. We will also discuss how to choose the right wood finishes and stains to achieve that cozy cottage look. Vintage-inspired details are another key elements of country cottage kitchen decorating. Think antique-inspired light fixtures, vintage-style appliances, and charming accessories that evoke a sense of nostalgia and whimsy. We will share ideas for incorporating vintage elements into your kitchen decor, from retro appliances to flea market finds. We will also discuss how to mix and match different vintage pieces to create a cohesive and charming look that reflects your personal style. Creating a serene and inviting atmosphere is essential in a country cottage kitchen, and a soft color palette is the perfect way to achieve that. Soft shades of white, cream, pastel blue, and pale green can help create a sense of tranquility and relaxation in your kitchen. We will explore different ways to incorporate these soft colors into your kitchen decor, from painted cabinets to tiled backsplashes and wall art. We will also discuss how to use color to create visual interest and add personality to your space. Nothing says cozy quiet like soft textiles and fabrics. In a country cottage kitchen, consider adding curtains, tablecloths, and chair cushions made from natural materials like cotton, linen, and burlap. We will share ideas for incorporating cozy textiles into your kitchen decor, from patterned curtains to floral printed table linens. We will also discuss how to mix and match different fabrics to create a layered and inviting look that enhances the overall charm of your kitchen. Country cottage kitchen decorating is all about creating a cozy and inviting space that feels like home. By incorporating rustic wood accent, vintage-inspired details, soft colors, and cozy textiles into your kitchen decor, you can transform your space into a charming retreat where you love to spend time cooking, baking, and entertaining. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and that they help you bring the beauty of the countryside into your kitchen. So watch this video till the end. If you like this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. See you soon in the next video. Till then, happy decorating.